How to remove bank from CashApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove bank from CashApp. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CashApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Under the Account and Settings tab, you will see the Linked Banks option. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the banks that you have linked your CashApp to. Simply tap on the bank account you want to remove and a menu will appear. Tap on the Remove Bank option. You will then receive a pop-up window. Tap on the Confirm button and with this the bank will be removed. So this is how you can remove bank from CashApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Login Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.